Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, depending on where you're watching us from. My name is Irene and this is Hairy Lifestyle. Thank you very much for joining me for this video. It's good to see you. Now here at Hairy Lifestyle, we are all about making life simple, healthy and affordable. So if those are things that you're interested in, I invite you to subscribe to this YouTube channel. Join me in this journey. I'd love to have you in my family. And don't forget to turn on your notifications so that you can be notified every time I post a new video. If you have a comment, if you have a suggestion, just leave it in the comment section. Give this video a thumbs up and share it with all your friends. Karibuni sana. If you've watched our previous videos, you know I'm hanging out with the amazing Beldina Kirito J.
Asante sana.
This woman, I just love the hats you wear.
Thank you.
Asante for joining me today.
Thank you.
Yeah, nitakuja kwako very soon.
You're most welcome and I'm really loving this. I am learning, guys. We're learning how to eat healthy. Yeah, to lead a simple, affordable, and healthy lifestyle. That's Irene's slogan. Here at Hairy's Lifestyle.
Hairy Lifestyle.
Yeah, Hairy Lifestyle.
Asante.
Yeah.
Today we have a very simple video for you. We are showing you how to make chicken breast. When it comes to meat, chicken breast is a very versatile piece of meat to work with.
Yeah.
It's very low in fat and very high in protein,
Yeah.
which is all good for you.
Yeah.
So leo utatufundisha how to make a simple stir fry using chicken breast and a few vegetables. This is a meal that you can eat with a salad. You can go back and see the salads that we made.
So guys, we have our oil here and it's ghee, guys. Here it's all about healthy lifestyle. So we have our ghee already, it has melted. So we will first put our chicken breast here. It's already sliced. So we're going to just ensure that it is just all of this absorbs our oil so that it doesn't stick on the pan. So we can add a bit of salt.
Okay.
Yeah, so that it absorbs the salt fully.
Tell me how much to put.
Yeah, what is this thing? Oh, add a little.
Add a little more.
Yeah, that's enough.
So we need to let it brown?
Yes, we need to keep it not brown per se, but let it at least get well done before we add the onions and the other condiments.
Okay.
Yes. Now guys, you can see now our chicken breast is well done. It's so fast, by the way. This is one of the quick fix meal. Yeah. So next we're going to add our onions that are already chopped.
It looks nice already.
Yeah.
And as you say, this is a quick meal.
Yes.
You can do this in just, I think, 15 minutes and it's ready.
Or yeah, 15 minutes it will be. Actually, 10, even 10.
Oh, wow.
Yeah. So next, yeah, we can add the ginger, the garlic. This is garlic.
Yeah. By the way, for those of you who haven't watched my market haul video, all these vegetables, go watch that video.
Yeah, and how to prepare them, where to get them at affordable prices, and how to store them and everything. So guys, Hairy Lifestyle is your plug for all these. Now next, guys, we're going to add our spices. So Irene, what's that you have?
This is mustard powder.
Mustard powder.
If you've been in my channel long enough, you know I love mustard powder. I love how it tastes. Next, I'm adding coriander. Just about a teaspoon of each. That's coriander. Of course, you can never go wrong with turmeric. It will give you a nice color and a nice flavor.
I know. Hey guys, already the aroma in this house. Amazing.
And lastly, a bit of paprika.
Paprika, my favorite.
That's your favorite spice?
Yes, that's my favorite.
Okay, let me add because it's your favorite.
Yeah. We are going to mix it up until our spices are well mixed and well done.
You can see how the color is changing and coming.
The rich color. The combination of turmeric, paprika, mustard.
Yeah.
Hey, amazing. The aroma in this house, guys, hey, you should be here.
Healthy eating doesn't need to be boring, by the way. This is very nice food.
And you see now, like for our spices, they are ground. They are the dried ones and ground, real specific spices.
Yeah.
Now then we're going to have our hokos, our capsicum, both red and green and yellow. You can add green if you like, guys.
You need to add some water?
Continue, not really. Okay. So we will just reduce our heat. Then we can add our dhania or coriander leaves.
Coriander leaves, parsley. What's the name of this?
Coriander
or parsley?
Or no, there is coriander or there is another name. I think coriander could be American, and then there is another one. I can't recall right now.
Check it out.
It's amazing. We'll check it out, guys. Or you can tell us under the comment. I know you guys know our foodies and you know these things. Look, by the way, we are done. Our stir-fried chicken breast is ready.
That looks nice.
Well done. Look at the rich color.
This is what I'm having for lunch with dinner today.
Yes, it's amazing. Guys, wow. That's how you simply do it. And there you have your chicken breast, well stir-fried. You can serve it with your favorite salad or with your favorite carbs, vegetables, you're good to go.
And you see, that's why I'm telling you, healthy living does not have to be expensive.
Exactly.
It doesn't have to be boring. This is a very simple meal that you can make.
Yeah.
When I bought this chicken breast from City Market, so of course I get better prices when I buy from there.
Exactly.
So you just know where to buy.
Yeah, mashimo.
Lazima ujue kule utapenya to get your ingredients at a good price.
Yeah.
And in fact, the guy I buy it from actually delivers to my house.
Wow, I need to have that contact as
we have a good relationship.
City Market guy, we're going to have your contacts and we're going to be delivering some of these things. They deliver all kinds of meat.
All kinds of meat. He brings me pork, he brings me chicken thighs, chicken legs, mbuzi. It just depends on what I want. But he's always been very reliable. He just charges me 150 bob for transport.
Wow.
And you can imagine going to town. I've done that a few times. When you're carrying meat, it's so heavy. And all that. So 150 bob. It's fair. It's about the amount of bus fare you would use to go to town.
Exactly.
So he delivers to my house, and healthy eating doesn't have to be complicated, boring, or that kind of thing.
Yeah.
Beldina, wow. Wow, amazing, right? That chicken looks nice. Thank you for that recipe. Now I have a new recipe for my chicken breast. Because I usually don't make it this way. I just add kitungu, nyanya, like that, and just stir fry it kidogo. I've never made it this way. It looks absolutely amazing.
Thank you. You see now, and it's colorful. All the nutrients, you can be sure they're here.
Yeah.
So that you can see how simple it is. Nothing complicated. Yes. But I'm following your slogan: simple, affordable, and healthy.
And you know what is affordable about this meal, guys? If you eat out and you go and eat chicken, you will pay a lot of money for that chicken. But if you buy chicken to use in your house, you'll pay something like 500 bob. I actually bought it for 500 bob a kg.
Yeah.
So we usually say a healthy lifestyle is expensive, but it's not.
It's not.
We're actually now spending a lot of money.
Yeah. A kg. Actually, at my area, we buy half at 500. So you need to show me plug. I need your plug.
You need my plug.
Yeah. Yes.
I'll make sure I let you know.
Now you can taste and tell us how it tastes.
Thank you. Very much. You have no idea. Let me get some capsicum. I wish my daughter was here. She does this. She likes something. That is
nice.
Delicious.
All the ingredients are well combined.
Yeah.
Awesome. I'm so glad to hear that. Eating healthy.
Today Beldina is not adding sugar to anything because I'm around.
It's amazing, guys. Awesome.
And that is what we had for you today. I hope you learned something new. I hope you have a new recipe that you can use to make your chicken breast. People say that chicken breast can be a little bit dry and not very tasty, but if you use this recipe, trust me, you will love it.
Yeah, absolutely. Thank you so much for having me in your kitchen today, Irene, Healthy Lifestyle. Guys, please remember to follow Hairy Lifestyle. Subscribe, and follow on all the social media pages.
Everything is linked below.
Yes.
Yeah, all our socials are linked below.
Yes, and as Beldina Kirito J and Beldina's Delicacies. Thank you so much, guys, for watching. When you cook, leave a comment, tell us how it turned out. Ask any question that you have, and we will be glad to continue bringing you great content. Thank you so much for watching, guys. Till next time, see you. Bye.
Kwaherini, asante.